Hi, good morning. Now I am going to take a seminar on blood circulation of the heart and what are the health conditions which affects the blood circulation of the heart. The first, but we will see about the blood circulation. Blood circulates in the body via two distinct pathways: the pulmonary circulation and the systematic circulation. Together, they create a closed pathways that keep the deoxygenated and oxygenated blood separated. Pulmonary circulation begins at the right ventricle, where the deoxygenated blood from the body tissue is pumped to the pulmonary arteries to the lungs. The blood exchanges carbon dioxide into oxygen. The oxygenated blood then travels back to the heart and the left atrium via the pulmonary vein. In systematic circulation begins at the left ventricle that pumps deoxygenated blood into the aorta. Aorta branches out the smaller arteries which carry the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Oxygen is delivered to the body tissues and exchanged to carbon dioxide. The now deoxygenated blood is carried back to the heart and the right atrium via veins. Next, we will see about the difference between arteries or veins. The blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart are called arteries. The blood vessels that carry blood towards the heart are called veins. Only in systematic circulation, arteries carry oxygenated blood, while in the pulmonary circulation, arteries carry deoxygenated blood. Next, we will see the contraction of the heart. The contraction of the muscular wall of the heart chambers are called myocardium. Generates the force to the pump blood. The heart contraction divided systole and diastole. The blood is pumped from the chambers during the contraction phase. The heart members are filled with the blood during the relaxation phase. One round of the heart contraction can divide into the following phases. Relaxation phase. The blood flows from the arteria into the ventricles passively via open arterial ventricle walls. The contraction of arteria that pumps the rest of the blood into ventricles. The ventricular systole, the contraction of ventricles, the forces the blood into the pulmonary and systematic circulation. Finally, is a ventricular restole. The ventricles and artery are relaxed. To measure the heart function of the human, the EGC was used. This is called electrocardiogram, also called as the EKG or EGC, which is a diagnostic test used to trace the electrical activity of the heart. The electrical activity of the heart is displayed as a P wave, QRS interval, and T wave. The P wave correlates to the atrial depolarization and the atrial contractions. This is not a wave associated with the atrial repolarization, correlates to the ventricular depolarization as the ventricle contact. The Q wave is the beginning, the R wave the middle of the contraction, the S wave is the end of the ventricular depolarization and the beginning of the ventricular repolarization. The T wave correlates to the ventricular repolarization. The corresponding PQRS ST curve of the human shown in the figure. The next, blood pressure. Blood pressure is a pressure exerted by the circulating blood against the walls of the arteries. The blood pressure varies from maximum to the minimum, which is normally around 120 by 80 mm by Hg. However, it varies between individuals. Blood pressure greater than 120 by 80 mm Hg is considered to be high. The medical term for the high blood pressure is hypertension. Blood pressure less than 120 for 80 mm Hg is considered to be low or hypertension. Hypertension is abnormal condition that is primarily caused by high blood cholesterol. Excess cholesterol is deposited on the arterial walls is plaque, and the plaque makes the lumen of the artery narrower, which causes the blood to flow with higher pressure. The next, stroke. An artery leading to the brain can become blocked. This may be caused a cerebral vascular accident known as stroke. Hypertension is the abnormal condition in which the blood flows with low pressure. Hypertension occurs when the large volume of water or blood is lost from the body. The body loss of water dehydration can occur during diarrhea or vomiting. The body's loss of blood hemorrhage can occur due to the blood disorder or injury to the blood vessels. Hypotension can result in shock. Thank you.